Hey, what's up, friends? Hey, Austin Brinker here. I'm coming to you today in this video to lay out 3 keys for your success with list leverage. Now, with that being said, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so let's just go ahead and get into the key number 1. Key number 1 for your success in list leverage is going to be resourceful, right? Any business you join, it's going to take a little bit of resourcefulness up front. You've got to find a way to get what I call the seed money, okay? And like it says here, this part is completely up to you and I. Okay, list leverage is the powerful vehicle, but this part is up to you and I to find the way to get started. Okay, this is the money that it takes to launch the business. This is a temporary sacrifice in order to create passive income in the future. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we be resourceful? Well, there's many different ways, especially with how society is today. There's so many ways to come up with money. You can sell things. But like I said here, simplify your lifestyle for just a little short amount of time. Simplify your lifestyle to limit your expenses. Drive with Uber or Lyft. Dog sit with Rover. Look, I'm coming to you today with these ideas because these are things I do to find the seed money to get this business off the ground. I dog sit with Rover all the time. I love it, actually. I love dogs, so that's a perfect side hustle for me to get this seed money, okay? So that's key number 1. Key number 2 is we've got to be consistent with traffic flow, okay? This business, the lifeblood of this business is going to be traffic. That's nothing new. If you've been in any sort of online business, you know that traffic is the lifeblood of that business, okay? You've got to make the commitment to run paid traffic on a weekly or monthly basis. Me personally, I plan to do a traffic campaign every 2 weeks when I get paid with my full-time job, okay? Establish a budget. It doesn't have to be a huge amount right up front, okay? Stick with something that you can, set something that you can stick with for the next 6 months or so, okay? And it might grow over time. It might grow as your business starts growing. But don't think you have to come right out of the gate, right up front, and mortgage your home to be able to pay for traffic. Don't do that, okay? Set a small budget if you need to up front, and it'll grow over time, okay? Key number 3 is to be committed. Make a commitment to still be here in this business in 6 months, okay? A lot of people are getting short-term money, but they have a list already in place. If you don't, and that's fine, but make a commitment to still be here in 6 months. The consistent traffic that we talked about in step number 2, it's going to end up turning into a passive income flow that's going to just grow and grow and grow if you're committed and if you stick with this, okay? Your list is going to end up being thousands and tens of thousands if you run that consistent traffic. And remember, finally, it's just a game, guys. Never get too high, never get too low with anything in life, but since this is specifically for list leverage, we'll apply it to that. Don't get too high when you're winning and don't get too low when you're losing, okay? Just stay even keel. Just 6 months commitment at least, guys. All right, I'll see you guys in there. Bye-bye.